I do not wish to take leave. For to pure love have I granted and given. As long as I have sense and strength and might, I shall not leave my song, nor this art's right. However much she has left me so, in grief and in I to dwell and remain. Sweetly will she have deceived me though, if I thought to have no more gain. Whoever holds me is treacherous, I say that I have well employed my pain. If my lady would feel for me the chain of ills that for her love have wrought my pain.
Sweet lady, in your heart there dwells, and in your face so fair and bright, the joy from which I stay my hand, and the goods whose gift I wait imply, that your frankness may bring to me. And if in your heart it remains so, that I have from you nothing but grief and woe, then I know not who to joy may make me go. Never do I seek that any man should teach me to order a false and treasonous heart. For love shall never have complaint of me, that toward her I do any wrongful part. Rather I wish ever to do her good, and even as now she constrains me, let her constrain me without healing's key.
Nor ever may she have will to love me. Within my body they have assailed me, the ills of love, and have grieved me so, so that never did defend me. My own heart, which they found there, I know.
Lady, have mercy now on me, of whom you have made your friend, with the aid of your great beauty without end. For never of me will you make a foe,
Nor